पुराने स्टाइल में बोलो गणपति बाप्पा मंगलमूर्ति आयुष एंड महिमा a big round of अंतिम फिल्म का प्रमोशन आप सबको ये फिल्म देखने जानी है and now I'm handing over the mic to Miss खुशहाली तो खुशहाली के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए come on everybody
What's up Thakur I am so happy to be back and nothing beats the feeling to be back here and promote our very own film Antim so क्या अंतिम देखेंगे कि नहीं Thank you so much ma'am sir for having us here I am feeling so proud and right now I am dealing with a lot of pride to be back at my very own college and I'm just so happy and right beside me is the star of the film and that's Ayush Sharma.
What's up, Thakur College? Why are you guys behaving so much here? Like in college, we don't need to behave and all that. In college, have some fun. We need to enjoy ourselves. Don't worry, for the last 15 minutes, I was having a conversation with a beautiful principal and I was asking ma'am, can we please break some discipline codes today? Because, you know, yeah, so we were negotiating that for all of you so that you can have a lot of fun today. But most importantly, thank you so much, ma'am, for having us over. Thank you for giving us an opportunity. And thank you so much for a beautiful introduction. But most importantly, I am very happy here because, you know, when we were shooting Antim, she used to keep talking about her, you know, when she started when she was at the age of 9 and she was shooting and she used to be in school and she used to be traveling and she used to come back for exams. And now she's, you know, she came to Thakur College and she was constantly doing something or the other. And that really inspired me. Because most importantly, I would like to thank a beautiful principal because sometimes what happens is that when we talk about acting, people always focus on education. They don't give the person a chance to go and act. And acting is always considered one of those, you know, extracurricular things. So first of all, a big round of applause for your principal for giving Mahima this shot. Ma'am, thank you so much. I will personally say that you are promoting acting, you're promoting your career into acting, and we have an example right in front of us who has made it in Antim.
Well, so you know we will never feel like it's enough after hearing whatever you have to say. We're going to make you keep talking throughout this event and promoting your film. So thank you for the initial words, but we're going to come back with more. But yes, it's definitely a huge thanks to our management, trustees, principal ma'am, HODs, coordinators, teachers, students for making this happen. And they are the ones, you know, you usually might think that it's the students who ask for all the celebrities, but in our case, we have it the opposite way. We have our teachers and our management supporting us so much with these things that we're always pushing people to bring the best people to encourage them and the students. So a big thank you for coming and taking time out of your busy schedules. I'm sure you have a lot of promoting to do and there's one place after the other that you're going to go to. So I would like to ask our team. Yes. So I had a question to ask you personally. So speaking of the last film that you did, Love Gatti, it's a very romantic role that you had. Now how was the transition from being a romance hero to becoming a villain in the film? Was it a difficult transition for you or was it as fun as the last time?
See, last time I had to dance a lot. This time I had to fight a lot, eat a lot, make a big body, and do everything that I'm not in real life. So I think it was very difficult for me to play this character, get into this character, and understand because I'm not from Maharashtra. So I didn't know the whole idea, the language, the behavior, and everything. But it was fun. I would say it was fun, and I think it was more fun because Mahima Moghana was there to drum the song set.
Mahima, what was your experience like, you know, like we want to know everything that you felt, what it was to constantly, you know, be in the hustle mode and going every day to these shoots and, I mean, just tell us what you felt and how was it a game changer for you in your career?
I think this is nothing less than a dream come true and a very big opportunity because I
had an opportunity to start my Bollywood career with Salman sir, Mahesh sir, and this very amazing actor that we have to watch out for. So I had an opportunity where I could, make my transition from television to Bollywood, and I couldn't have had a better start. So it was amazing, and I feel really happy that I got to be a project which is a great script and बाकी तो सब लोग देख ही लेंगे. So it was amazing.
महिमा सेंटर
So first, I'm a huge fan of yours since Shubharam.
Thank you.
So my question was for you, you have acted since a child. So how did you balance acting and education? Wasn't it difficult?
It was definitely not an easy task to simultaneously complete my studies and do what I was doing. But I think when you have such a great principal and such a great faculty to support you, life becomes easy. So I think I should thank them, Thakur College, Deepak sir, for making my school life, college life a lot more easier. So I think it was difficult, but I think you have to do what you have to do, man. That okay, so I would not like to ask the audience another question, but I'd like to ask the friends, Rishi and Miley, to say what you feel when you have a friend who's that popular. What is it that crosses your mind? Do you feel, what is it? What do you feel? Would you like to say a few words of compliments to Mahima here? Because daily basis पे तो मस्ती चलती है. Miley, Rishi, you better talk good things about me.
Of course, hi. So Mahima has always been the hard worker in the room. We've seen we've always seen her working, missing her lectures for work, and she really deserves this.
Wow. It's always great to have a supporting team of friends, family, people around you. Because when you're so passionate about something as Mahima is, it is impossible to go and grab it if nobody is there on your side. So I think a big shout out to you guys. Also, Rishi, is there something you would like to say?
Hi. So even I've come here in this auditorium after such a long time, and that's thanks to Mahima and thanks to Ayush for making such a wonderful movie. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mahima and Ayush again? So Mahima, I think there's a lot of things that a lot of people might know about Mahima or come to know about Mahima, but at the end of the day, she is the sweetest celebrity you will ever come across. And it takes a lot to be so popular, to work with such amazing and such beautiful people, and obviously to work with the man himself, Salman Khan, and still to be as grounded as Mahima. I think she just deserves a lot of applause for that. So it's really great, and all of us Mahima's friends, we're so proud of you, and we only want you to go up, but then again come back to this college every time you promote your movie. So yeah, once again guys, a huge round of applause for Mahima Makwana and Ayush Sharma. Thank you.
Guys, chilana shuru rakho, sir is on stage, right? We're proud to have him, we're excited to have him, and we need to show how excited we are because बहुत बैठ गए घर पे लॉकडाउन में, अब चिल्लाने का वक्त आ चुका है. Guys, can I have you on stage quickly, please? सर थोड़े से नर्वस हैं बच्चे हमारे क्योंकि आपके सामने बहुत लोग नर्वस हो जाते हैं.
मैम पहले मुझे सर में बोलिए प्लीज. मैं बूढ़ा नहीं हूँ, मैं महिमा से 2 साल छोटा हूँ. जी बस 1 साल ही बड़ा हूँ, महिमा से 2 साल छोटा हूँ. That's it. Please सर ना बोले.
Thank you sir. Okay, we have our ladies back on stage. आप क्या करते हैं? आप प्लान कर चुके हैं कि आपको इनके साथ करना है. ठीक है, चलिए आ जाइए. Please ask your questions one by one.
So what are your thoughts about our Festa? What are your thoughts about our Festa?
I think it's a beautiful festival. During my last film, I had gone to many colleges to promote, But this time around, so this time around I've come after, the whole COVID situation, to come back to a college, to see this kind of warmth, to see this kind of love. I think it's beautiful, it's amazing, and I would really want to thank Mahima for suggesting that we should all come to Thakur College. And thank you so much, all of you, for having us over.
As Mahima was our college student and she described her feelings, would you like to describe your feelings about college life and like your some experience?
I would refrain from that because any suggestion I give, ma'am will throw me out of from here.
Just some tips.
Yeah. See, I was studying in Jain College with my attendance not being 40% but being 80%. So, but I was lucky. I don't think 18% converts into becoming a movie star. No, please don't do that. Ma'am, sorry. I generally didn't spend too much time in college. I was chilling in Bombay.
That brings you here.
Well, that should not be the moral of the story.
Okay, I'm so sorry, just but yeah. So आयुष, ये जो सब स्टूडेंट्स है वो तो आ गए, बट हमारे कुछ टीचर्स हैं जो आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हैं, एंड वहाँ पे एक टीचर ने बोला कि आयुष को पूछो कि उसके कॉलेज की एक मेमोरी बताए.
जी, मेरे लिए सबसे अधिक fond memory है because I was not from Bombay. I didn't grow up in Bombay. So when I got admitted to Jain College, that time I remember there used to be a canteen. Jain is a good canteen, and there used to be a guy called John. So I asked him, I was like, is your name real John? He said, no, my name is Rakesh. So I said, why people call you John? He said, because John Abraham used to sit here and have dosa. And that's why, and I used to serve him, so I have been called John. So I remember that for a time, I felt one day, there will be a guy who will say, I'm Ayush, because he used to eat dosa here.
Oh my God!
I would like to really share a very personal memory, because when I was in college, I remember in my first year, there used to be an HOD called Mary Ma'am. And Mary Ma'am saw my horrible attendance. And she called me one day and she said, why are you in college? You don't want to study. And I'm this 41 kilo boy, very thin boy. And she looked at me and she said, why don't you try acting? And I looked at her and said, ma'am, me and acting. Look at me, I'm 41 kilos. So she said, no, I think you can be an actor. So today, I really thank Mary Ma'am for giving me this dream, for making me pursue acting. And that's what I feel about our principal as well, who always supported Mahima. So I think somewhere down the line, we always look at teachers like, okay, it's all about education. But somewhere down the line, they help you also develop you as a person who you are in future.
Guys, इतनी प्यारी मेमोरीज सुनाई, जितने टीचर्स हैं सब हाथ उठाओ, come on, जितने टीचर्स हैं सब जोर से तब तक ताली बजाओ. Ayush, one thank is towards all our lovely teachers.
Can I hug them instead?
Oh, that will be awesome.
That'll be better.
I think this is the luckiest day for not only our students but our teachers getting a nice warm hug from Ayush sir.
Come on, guys.
Boys, sorry, unfortunately we cannot allow you to hug Mahima, okay? We're sorry if you're breaking your expectations. Yeah, she's thanking me because I don't know why. You have to be a very close friend of Mahima's to be able to hug her, so I'm very sorry to disappoint.
So ये भाई का बर्थडे सॉन्ग इस बार हर बर्थडे पे बजना चाहिए, ओके? And we are definitely remembering Salman bhai. I hope one day Salman sir will be here and ये stage पे और लोग नाचेंगे. Guys, but अंतिम फिल्म के लिए and of course for Ayush and Mahima, we have a little cake cutting ceremony. So I would request Principal Ma'am also to join. Ma'am, please, it's a humble request. And guys, सबको अंतिम देखना है. कल मेरा प्रिंसिपल मैम का और वाइस प्रिंसिपल का प्लान हो गया है. आप लोग अपना देख लो. Love and appreciation for Ayush. एक बार जोरदार ताली आयुष शर्मा के लिए. Guys, इंडियन फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी में एक नए सुपरस्टार की एंट्री हो चुकी है और उनका नाम है आयुष शर्मा. And now guys, I request Principal Ma'am to felicitate जो कभी वहां पर बैठी थी और आज यहाँ पर है और पूरे देश में ठाकुर कॉलेज का नाम रोशन कर रही है, महिमा मकवाना. Guys, this being 25th year of our college, it is very special. And this is also 75th year of India का अमृत महोत्सव, आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव. So it's a huge celebration throughout the year, and we are so happy to have Ayush and Mahima with us on this particular stage. Guys, एक final बार and then we have cake cutting. So एक बार आयुष और महिमा की पूरी टीम के लिए, the SKF टीम के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And एक बार उन सब कोविड वॉरियर्स के लिए जोरदार तालियां जिन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट लिया. And now we have things up and running again. Come on guys, make some noise. So now let's do the honors in Antim ka style. So, Principal Ma'am, over to you.
Yeah. So, good afternoon, all my students. Okay. So, we have Ayush and Mahima with us. I have something to say. Deepak had forgotten me, but I wanted to speak for Mahima. Ayush, please excuse me. You are also a very handsome boy. Amitabh se upar ka ho jaoge. I'm blessed for that. महिमा का थोड़ा बताना चाहती हूँ. Mahima's attendance was 40-50% always. That's also a very good attendance. Where some of them don't give at all, doing nothing. She did a lot, and then all the exams that she gave, she did it with flying colors. One incident I want to share with all of you. One day she came running to me. She missed one of the paper because of a shoot. And she was in all those dresses और मम्मा के साथ आई है. इसकी मम्मी इससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर है. Actually, her mother is more good looking than her. And she asked me, ma'am, can you help me with the exam? The glitter and the tears that I saw in her eyes, I said, 100% I will allow you for the exam. And a separate paper was made and she gave the exam. That's my mom. Why I'm saying you all all this, that. She did lot for her family. She did lot for the society. She did lot for the college. And today she stands here. First, you require to do something to get something. So that's our Mahima. Hip hip hooray!
And of course प्रिंसिपल मैम, और सब कुछ साथ से होता है, तो महिमा को अच्छे टीचर्स मिले और अब उन्हें आयुष का साथ मिला, सलमान सर का साथ मिला, एंड आई एम श्योर उसके और भी अच्छे लोगों का साथ मिलेगा और वो इन सब के साथ, सलमान खान सर के साथ, आयुष सर के साथ जो अगली फिल्म बनाएगी, शायद अंतिम 2 आएगी या अंतिम 3 आए, 4 आए, 5 आए, एंड वी वांट दिस अंतिम नॉट टू बी द अंतिम फिल्म. This is just a beginning. Come on, make some noise for Ayush and make some noise for Mahima Makwana.
और एक बात है. Monday को we got very excited. Early morning on for Sunday night, Deepak calls me and tells me कि सलमान खान आ रहे हैं. बोले क्या बात है? सलमान जी आ रहे हैं. मेरे लिए तो खुशी की बात है. Immediately हाँ बोल दिया. And all the arrangements started. Then I had a certain very important assignment yesterday at 4 o'clock. So I called him back and I asked, Deepak, if it is confirmed, I will cancel my assignment. He said, ma'am, just give me 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, it was, no, he's not coming because of the COVID situation. And maybe protocol follow करने के लिए और वो सब सारी ठाकुर विलेज, ठाकुर कॉम्प्लेक्स आ जाती थी, इसके लिए वो रोकने के लिए did come. But let me tell you, जो भी सलमान खान के जो प्रोडक्शन वाले हैं, मैं भगवान को बहुत प्रार्थना करती हूँ, भगवान नहीं मिलते हैं. आज मुझे सलमान नहीं मिला, कहाँ से भगवान मिलेगा मुझे?
Ma'am, just a small request. I've been here, I've been standing on stage and I'm feeling very weird. Yeah, I don't like being here. And this whole idea has been looking very cool to me, this student vibe. If you allow, can I go there and take a selfie with you?
You guys are very lucky, but still, chillers be disciplined. So please, I want to